Hi, in this video we are going to see how you can restore your WhatsApp and WhatsApp business data from iCloud to your computer, and it's totally wirelessly. So to do this work we are using WhatsGo application. So first you have to download this application and the link is given the video description. Just check it and come to this page. So just you can click the free download option and complete the download. So I already downloaded it. I just simply double click and open. Alright, so this is a very clean interface and there have simple some option. You can directly transfer your WhatsApp data between Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android, and you can also restore your data from iCloud. So now we are doing this process. So you have to go to setting from your WhatsApp and then go to accounts, and you have to make sure that your two-step verification is turned off, and then you have to go chats and chat backup, and now you have to enable end-to-end encryption. So you click here and then more, and now you have to enable the 64-digit encryption key. Click here and there you can see some key. You have to copy it and save somewhere, and I also take a screenshot because after some time we need this key to export the data into our computer. So I already save it. Now click OK. Okay, so now it's starting backup. It takes some time. I have few data, so it will be done very soon, and after complete the backup we have to go to our computer and do the next process. Okay, so our backup is done. Now directly go to our computer screen and now just log in my iCloud, putting my password and then hit the signing button. Okay, so now you can see the data is detected and it's restoring. So if your iCloud have two WhatsApp, like one is business WhatsApp and one is normal WhatsApp, so you can show both of the number here and then you can choose what you need to restore. Actually this feature help you to restore all the backup without delete WhatsApp. You can preview and download what you need. So it's verifying, and after that there will ask you the 64 digit. So you have to input the 64 digit key. I already copy it and now paste and click the verify button. Okay, so after successfully verify, it's actually restoring all the data on our computer. So now you can see all the number, all the message, photos and everything you can preview. Even if you want to show the pictures, you can see and export easily into your computer. So I checked everything is okay. Now I just restore it into my desktop. So you have to create a folder. I just make a folder here and select, and it's actually restoring. So that's it, everything is done. So there is the process. So if you want to try their software, so this is the right time because there is going 30% discount. You just come to this page, the link is given in the description, and check it. So thank you so much. See you on the next video. Till then, take care. Tata.